Hi everyone, we're at TCSC. My name is Nigel and I'm a Vice President of TCSC.
My name is Dexter and I'm Treasurer of TCSC.
My name is Z. I'm the co-director of Informal Events.
Welcome back to the last episode of Council Cooks.
And today we will face the toughest challenge,
Where we're making perfect pancakes with a twist.
Okay everyone, we'll be picking the cards right now.
whatever we take, we cannot complain.
Really complaining.
I'm so done. I'm so done. I hate you. I hate you too. I hate you too. I'm blind.
I'm deaf.
I'm mute.
Okay. Now the recipe is here. We'll be starting now. Z,
Huh?
can you read?
Okay, so combine dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside.
Z, can you read the line? I cannot. Okay, let's start. Can you do something? Can you give something for us to do Dexter? Can you prepare the ingredients? You're the only one who will work right now. Oh.
Where's the baking powder?
Wait, do we need to measure how much baking powder was? Do whatever
Okay.
we want.
Where's the salt?
Wait!
Flour, salt.
Wait.
Okay. Now we whisk them like pour to. You pour.
How much? Recipe got say or not? Hi. Can you give me? See ya.
Use this to pour. Okay, so now we'll be pouring 1 cup of flour. Okay, so you take the and then you have to scoop is here.
What is that? How many scoop of? Nobody can listen to me, guys.
Yes, that is 1 cup. Wait, I don't think it's enough though. Make it flat.
I can.
No, don't cut it. Don't cut it. No.
Is it the butter? Is it the butter?
You go to the basin and wash your hand. Hold the. The next step is to put baking powder. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I cannot open this first.
Come, let me open. I don't think I can. Oh, open it. How do I open it?
Don't pour.
Oh, don't. Why is it on my hand? Why is it on my hand? What is on my hand?
Itu lah. No. Here. Quarter of salt.
Can you do something, Alexa?
Okay, and then you can pour. And then we're moving on to mixing wet ingredients. So first, in a separate larger bowl, beat the mashed banana and egg together until blended.
Okay. Banana, Alexa, banana. Banana. How many banana? How many?
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, how many? As much as we want. We can do 2 banana.
Okay. Banana.
What? Oh, you're doing good.
Thank you.
2 or 1? 2.
One more. Oh, take it.
And then after that, we will use this one to mash it. You're not hitting anything. Yeah, okay, you're something.
What do you mean I'm doing something?
And then for the egg, right? Take one large egg and then wait, the banana is 3/4.
So we got 2 times 3/4
A
is...
quarter.
What is 3
quarter?
quarter?
Why is 3/4? So it means like this add up into 3/4 of a cup. I think we need more. We need to wash the egg. Wash the egg also. After that, we'll be having 3/4 of cup milk.
Three-quarter of milk. Where is the milk? Where? Milk? Milk in the fridge. In the fridge.
There.
I know. How many? Let's see.
And then put in
Oh.
Put in the egg.
See?
Yes. Yes.
How many cups?
Enough for you.
How many cups of milk?
Okay, stop. Stay. Hold on. Wait. Okay. And then crack the egg. Okay. After that, we will add this milk. The milk. Okay. Open the. And now you hold the milk and then you pour it into the green color cup. Oh, slow down. Okay, can. Stop. A bit more. Stop. I think it's enough. When we finish pouring the milk, we will add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
What do I do with this?
Oh my god. Wait. Do we use a knife? Oh. Okay, we're gonna use this spatula to scrape the butter. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Can I have a bowl? No, I want a bowl. No, too big. I want a small one to put in the microwave. We'll be cutting, and then after that, we'll be melting the butter into the microwave down there. So now, what you have to do is to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Oh, my hands are oily. Can I have a mop? Can I have a mop? Dexter, mop.
Sorry?
Mop. Thank you.
Okay, and 1 tablespoon. Where's the tablespoon? Hold it, and then you can hold the vanilla essence, and then you. It's pressing. It's.
I cannot do this.
Okay.
I cannot do
You
this.
can start squeezing.
I cannot do this. I cannot do this.
Squeeze a bit.
I cannot do this.
Squeeze. I hold it. Okay. You cannot open it.
It smells so good. Can you agree on? It smells good.
Huh? Okay. It smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Okay, so now you hold the bottle of vanilla again, and then after that, you know. No, turn that. Take the cup and then you pour into.
I'm getting blurry.
What?
It's hot.
Okay, now you. Oh! Enough already. That's enough already. Okay, already.
Wait. Am I doing it correct?
Here.
What is your? I think we should start like heating the hot surface already. There's still like some clumps of banana not mixed well yet. Yeah. Try to like. Oh yeah, you should tilt the bowl and then start like heating it towards the bowl. Do you see how this is better of mixing?
Is it my problem? How do we do
Now
next?
we can put a quarter of this into a cup. No. Put it onto the hot surface of the pan. This and then you. Huh? Oh, correct. What? No! You want drink? Scoop the batter. Okay, can. Okay. Here. Can you hold this like for at least 1 minute? Then we only flip. It's not good. It's not good looking yet. It looks like. I don't think. Ta-da! So this is our pancake. Yay!
So now we're gonna decorating it. What is this?
This is pancake syrup, maple syrup. Okay, now you will open it, tap this on top, and then yes. So okay, strawberry. We will need a knife. Wait, watch out. Okay, but before that, we have to wash the strawberries. Oh my god!
Okay, wash. Let me wash.
Yes, we need to wash. Excuse me. No. We're going to cut the strawberries.
Let me cut it.
No, you can't. Okay.
Are we cutting?
Yes, we are.
What's the progress right now?
4 pieces now. Wait, don't put your hand. Okay, I put some strawberries. Strawberries on the plate. This is the plate on your left hand. Don't touch the pancake. Okay, now I want you to. Are you still? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's very good. Okay, put on the side. Yeah, you layer down. Huh? Yes. What?
I can translate. What?
What is this? Oh, you want to use a spoon?
Oh, okay.
This. Okay. Oh, should we add more sugar? Sorry? Oh, you eat.
No.
No.
Decorate it. Where's the syrup? Hi guys. Where's the syrup? We're done. This is our pancake and now we'll be tasting it. It's so good.
Mmm.
It's It's actually good. Thank you guys. Thank you.
That's the end of this episode, and thank you for keeping up with household cooks.
Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications that you don't miss out on our future projects.
Bye bye.